We got a 2024 Honda Civic Type R. All right, this thing is a true beast right here. This is a 4-cylinder turbo 4-banger straight from Japan. It's sick. It's got a lot more horsepower than the regular Honda Civic. It's a Type R, as you guys can see. Got the wing on there. You can see that wing. So what we're doing is an AWE technology, 180 technology by AWA. All right, this thing is a sick kit. One of the only options available for this. You have other options like Remark. Borla's developing something pretty sweet for this, but as of right now, AWE has one of the only perfect fitting systems on the market for this thing. It comes with, so this is actually the Touring, comes with a Touring muffler out the back. You can see the custom built brackets. You got the front pipe with the flex, all 3-inch performance resonator. You got a Bago clamps, which y'all know about miscellaneous, all right? And then you got the standard AWE packaging for the tips. Look pretty sweet. Boom, boom, boom. Tri-tip. Looks sick. Got an AWE sticker and no sucker. No way. Oh yeah, he got a sucker. Great, baby. So yeah, every AWE kit comes with a set of suckers, and then you got more miscellaneous, some gaskets, some bolts, and then you got AWE simulators, because this car does come factory with a valve. The AWE is not valve, so they give you a simulator. You pop that thing in there, like right here, and then boom, simulated. All right, pretty sweet. No check engine light, guaranteed if you buy AWE. Other systems I can't guarantee that, but as long as it comes with a simulator or a stock valve bracket, and you can pop that thing back on, then you have all the control. This one, like I said, comes with a tri-pipe, usually a Y-pipe out the back, but this is a tri-pipe, 1, 2, 3, tri, and then we pop those black chrome tips on there. It's gonna look pretty sweet. So the Civic, you actually have to take off this rear plastic diffuser undercarriage part to take off the exhaust. So once you pop this off, the exhaust is exposed, and then you got matte up front taking off the cover up front to expose the front pipe. Every Civic comes, usually when you buy a catback, comes with a front pipe, and it goes over everything and then loops around and then comes back and then connects to the exhaust, which is pretty sick. So it's called a front pipe. Connects to the top of the engine and then loops around the power steering unit and then comes back to here in this area. So most Civics do have a front pipe, some of them don't. This one specifically does. So this one comes with an upgraded front pipe. That's this section right here. All right, and then let me show you the stock muffler real quick. So this is the stock muffler. You got 1, 2, 3 exits right here, little baby resonator, 2 performance Type R style mufflers, and then you got the valve bracket in the back. Looks like that. So we're bypassing that valve bracket and putting a simulator on it. Should sound pretty sick with this AWE kit, guys. I'm excited. Brand new 2024 Honda Civic Type R with the black tips, AWE catback. Next up, AFE air intake, guys. We got the AWE kit, full catback with the front pipe and the tri-pipe. We got it installed. This thing looks sweet. Got the black diamond tips on this thing. Shout out to AWE. They sell you black diamond tips or stainless usually. We went the black diamond because the car's black and white. I think it looks sweet. And the fitment is perfect, guys. Got the tri-pipe, 3-inch all the way through, performance resonator, stock hangers. Got the front pipe, goes all the way up, loops over this, loops over that, connects up front. Pretty sweet setup, guys. This is a huge upgrade from the stock. The stock piping's like 1 3/4. Very small, guys. It's more like 2 3/4. Got the Type R exhaust system installed. Sounds pretty damn sweet. I mean, I actually like the AWE kits on this car. Sounds pimp, and definitely worth the upgrade, because the stock Honda Civic Type R sounds like a big fart. Not great. So like if you bought a whoopee cushion and you sat on it, that's what a stock sounds like. Farts. As you can see, he's got his stock system in the back. We're slapping that on there. We got another cool project right there. Look at this cool ass Porsche. Sick. Who works on center steering wheel Porsches? Like, you sit in the middle of that thing. Cool. But back to the Honda. So the Type R is done. Sounds good. Interior drone is pretty damn minimal. Sounds good when you're rolling. Nice little crackles, nice little pops. And I think the system's a great setup for you guys. If you're looking for a catback for a Type R, you know, obviously the new Type R is a little bit different than the older ones. A little better designed in my opinion. Got the cool little racing vents on here, which is pretty sick. You got the eBay, Amazon buttons on everything. Yeah, just overall pretty sweet ride. Next, I would recommend an air intake. You slap an air intake on this thing with an exhaust, really opens it up, pretty sweet, and then makes some solid power. With the air intake and exhaust, you should be making about 30, 35 horsepower, which is pretty awesome. And yeah, with the turbo Civic, that's all you need, just more airflow. Feed it airflow, relieve the airflow a little bit better with the exhaust. So like I said, we did a full 3-inch air intake up front, would really help it, and it'll make the exhaust sound a little bit better. So if you're looking for an upgrade like that, you hit us up. You could DM us. You could go to our website, gexhaust.com. You can come to Davie, Oakland Park. We have 2 locations in South Florida. And reach out if you have any questions. Gexhaust out.